Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Make the most of family outings in this refined and secure Corsair. From its silky smooth ride and touchscreen infotainment to its confidence-inspiring capability, this luxury compact SUV has you covered in style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start. There's never been a better time to indulge in the luxury you deserve. Get behind the wheel of this impressive Corsair. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.